Time eventually takes everything. Listen, there is something every human being receives. Rich or poor, young or old, famous or unknown. We all receive the same thing. Time. But there is something about time that makes it different from everything else. You cannot save it. You cannot buy it. You cannot borrow it. And once a second is gone, you can never get it back. Think about that. Right now, while you're listening to me, time is passing. You will never get these exact seconds back when you're young. You think you have forever. You say, I do it lay. I have plenty of time. But a minute becomes an hour becomes a day becomes a month, and months become years. Then one day, you look in the mirror and realize you've grown older. Your parents have grown older. Your friends have changed. The people you knew when you were young have gone different directions. And suddenly, you understand something. Time has been moving the entire time. That's why you should never take today for granted, because today will never come again. Go to school, earn, work hard, build your future, chase your dreams, make money, become successful. There is nothing wrong with wanting a better life. But remember this, money can buy a house, but it cannot buy a home. Money can buy a bed, but it cannot buy sleep. Money can buy a clock, but it cannot buy another week. You can become rich. You can become famous. You can own expensive cars. You can build a great business. But when your time is finished, you leave all of it behind. So build your future, but don't spend your entire life forgetting to live it. And while you're building that future, don't forget the people around you. Call your mother while you still can. Talk to your father. Check on your family. Call your friends. Tell the people you love that you love them. Don't wait for a funeral to say, I wish I had told I love them. Because sometimes the person you think you'll speak to tomorrow is the person you will wish you had spoken to today. People are more valuable than possessions. The car gets old. The clothes get worn. The phone gets replaced. The house eventually changes hands. But the memories you create can stay with someone for the rest of their life. To every student listening, listen carefully. Don't waste your education. Don't waste your talent. Don't waste your opportunity. You don't have to know exactly what your future will look like, but you should prepare for the future you want. Learn, ask questions, practice, make mistakes, and learn from them. Don't spend 10 years saying I'll start tomorrow, because tomorrow becomes today. Today becomes yesterday, and yesterday never comes back. And when you fail, don't think your life is over. Failure can teach you. Failure can strengthen you. Failure can show you what you need to change. When you fall, get back up. When you make a mistake, learn. When life becomes difficult, keep moving. Because time keeps moving. Whether you move with it or not, one day, the money will be gone. The cars will be gone. The houses will be gone. The fame will be gone. And eventually, time will be gone too. So the question isn't, how much time do I have? The real question is, what am I going to do with the time I have? Are you going to learn? Are you going to love? Are you going to help somebody? Are you going to chase your dream? Are you going to become the person you were meant to become? Because you cannot stop the clock. But you can choose what you do before it stops. Your life is made of moments. Your moments are made of seconds. And your seconds are disappearing now. So don't just exist. Live. Don't just dream. Act. Don't wait for tomorrow. Use today, because time eventually takes everything. But while you still have time, you still have a choice. Make it count.